Alright, put it up, cut it apart, take it down, you know, cut apart in 3 pieces, all screwed together on the pier, trimming it up, and up on top. Now we're going to try and, I got to trim a couple inches off the bottom of these, and then we'll fit them back up in there. See how they work. Time for a beer first though. Okay, so one side of this cap is back up in place. It's just screwed together right now. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do this, but I'd like to just make a single cut and you know, flush it and flush mount it, and then the 2 pieces, and then fiberglass it back up again. But I don't know whether that's, there's a lot of tension on that, so I don't know whether that's really practical or not. I'm just gonna have to mess with it and see what happens. But I'll go up inside here. This is up inside. It's all nice and tight in there now. Fits fairly decent. But I'd take, it's got about a 3-inch overlap. Pretty hard to tell in the video here, but the you know, here's the, I cut it here. This piece here is actually over, well, right about there, about 3 inches. So that's how much too wide it was. That's just on one side. But it looks like it's going to fit fairly well. I just have to keep tugging and bolting it together until I get it, and then figure out how I'm going to fiberglass it all back together again. Same thing up in here. Nice tight fit up here. I got to get it, you know, so it fits nice, and then I've got to be able to take it off so I can seal it all back up again. So it's going to be one of those things where you just figure it out as you go along. Alright, so I'm making 2 more of these curved pieces. This one's just ready to put into place and tack it all together. It's all clearance, so it'll work. That one's already tacked. I'll go in well, just in behind the bottom of the cap there. Got to basically build the same curve as that's lower down up there, so that fiberglass cap has a, can take the shape of the back of the bus. So as soon as I'm done that, then we'll move on to the roof bows. Got the material for that, so I'll make up one at the top of the cap there, so it has the right shape, and then one more in the middle for to support the aluminum skin that's going to go in between them. And then I'll probably have to make another one up inside the cap there, and that'll be a different shape, because it'll just have to follow the shape that this particular cap is. So anyways, that's where we're at now. These pieces are all welded up now. Just have to grind them down. That one's still hot. There's the other one on the floor. I'll just grind them all down and install them. We got some more structure here. It's coming along pretty good. Starting to kind of build it to the shape of the back of the bus here now. There's those 2 pieces that I just got them tacked in here right now. They're all welded up, but they're just tacked in to fit all the rest of this structure all together. I'll pull them, they just got 1 tack in each end. I'll just pull them back out, grind them up.
Sand them all down so they're smooth, so like the bottom ones. I don't know if you can see in here or not, but this had to curve this piece of 2-inch tubing across the back here. Same shape as the back of the bus. And there's another one here that's in the center. It's going to give it some structure back there. Look, if you look at it right now from it's okay now, but from before, when I just had the one at the bottom here, it had a nice curve along the bottom of the cap, but it had a big flat spot in the middle here because there was no support. So now it's this is curved the same as the side. It's all just tacked together, so I have to weld it all up yet. But same here. I had to curve these pieces, vertical pieces here, follow the shape of the bus, and then this cap will just all get pulled into place and take the shape. I'll have to put some more supports and cross bracing and all that in here, but for now it's coming along pretty good. I've got the first, kind of ran out of time today. I got sidetracked on another job, but got the first piece of 2-inch flat bar up in here, shaped the shape of the roof there. So I have some sheet metal. I'm going to bend it into like I said before, bend it into a series of 90-degree pieces back and forth, like an accordion basically. And I'll put that up in there, tack it into place, put another piece of flat bar. I got one here that's already shaped. It might be too dark for it to show up really, but anyways, it's ready to go in. I just have to put bend the sheet metal for the framework. Put that in. I'll probably do that tomorrow afternoon. I got to go out to look at a fifth wheel trailer tomorrow for somebody to move it, so that'll take up a good portion of the day, so I probably won't get back to this till tomorrow afternoon. But anyway, it's coming along pretty good. Maybe more updates tomorrow, maybe. Alright, so there's the one roof bow I made up. I'll gotta make one more in between here for the aluminum to rest on. That worked out really well. It's a bit of a challenge getting it to bend in there the right shape, but got it finally. Yeah, worked out good. Made it in this area here, right up in there, because that's the shape I wanted, and then just pull it out, moved it back. I'll just have to make up one more and put it halfway between the two. And then I got the cap sucked down, not quite all the way, but it'll go. The way I got my straps connected up there, the buckles or the clips are catching, hanging up on my framework here on both sides. So to get it down the rest of the way, I'll just have to re-drill a couple more holes. This cap's too long anyways, so when I have it down into place, I'm going to trim about 3 inches or so off, so those holes will just go away. It's not very straight anyways, so I'll make a nice straight cut, so those holes will be gone. It's coming pretty close, pretty good. How its cap actually fit better than well, it's fitting as good as I hoped it would, but I wasn't sure. But it's yeah, it's going to fit nice. I'll go down below. I haven't even looked at it yet. I'll go down below and see if I can see what it looks like from down below. Hang on a minute. So this is from down below. That cap's going to fit really nice.
like it. See if we can see around the end here. See how it. Yeah, it's following the curve of the rear of the bus really nice. Yeah. This one's going to be a lot easier to fit than the front one. Okay, that's it for now. Getting a little more progress here. I got some of the roof bows in and the framework. Back here's coming along. Cap's just about pulled down into place. Here. Long weekend this weekend, so see how much more progress I can get. Might even try and put the roof skin on. Got it here, so I'd like to try and get it solid enough here, and then I can cut this piece of this wall out here that is going to be for the slide out. The framework for the slide out is installed there, but you just need to cut this piece of wall that's got to go away out. So I might try and do that this weekend as well. Onward and upward.